Hello everyone. So today we're going to do some more multiplying by -1 type systems of equation questions. So I'm going to do these two, just like the past couple days. I'm going to do these two with you, and then I'll give you two to do on your own. So for our first one here, we have 2x plus 5y equals 38 and 2x plus 3y equals 26. Now they're all positive. So the reason why I'm going to pick the second one is because it has smaller numbers here, with 3 and 26 are smaller than 5 and 38. So when we subtract, we'll get positive numbers. As you can see here, 2x and 2x, right? I can't cancel those, so I got to make one of them negative or opposite. So again, we're going to rewrite because we don't want to get this all messy. So we're going to rewrite the first one. And when we rewrite the second one, all the signs here are going to change. So in this case, they're all positive, so they're going to switch to all negative. And now it's just like we've been doing. 2x and negative 2x cancel. 5y minus 3y is 2y. Okay, remember, that's a 5 minus 3, so be careful, don't put 8. And we have 38 minus 26, which is going to get us 12. Now we divide by 2, and y equals 6. Now we can pick whatever equation we want. We can pick the first one, the second one, or the new one. Don't pick the new one. That's full of negatives. Let's use the first one. Okay, you can use the second one. They both have a bunch of positives in them. It doesn't matter. 2x plus 5 times 6 equals 38. Oh. 5 times 6 is 30. If I can write. There we go. And we're going to minus 30 from both sides. And we'll get 2x equals 8. And finally divide by 2. And x is 4. Now remember, your final answer is x comma y. So we have 4 and 6. So it'd be 4 comma 6. All right, so if you want to pause that, all right, make sure you copy down those notes. It's part of the assignment. On to the next one if you're back unpaused. So now here we've got, well, 3 and 3 are the same, but they're both negative. So I got to make one of these positive. It doesn't really matter which one you do, but I'm going to follow my same methodology that I did here. I'm going to look at the ones with some smaller number and a smaller x term. That way when I subtract, I'll get positive numbers. So I'm going to multiply, this in black. Multiply this by -1. So I'm going to rewrite it here. This becomes negative x, or if you want to put the 1 there, -1x, right? That might be a good idea. Plus 3y equals -9. And then the second one's going to stay the same. Okay. Y's are going to cancel. Now remember here you're subtracting because we have minus signs here. So 4x minus 1x is 3x. 18 minus 9 is 9. And we're going to divide by 3. And x will be 3. Now we got to plug it back in. Doesn't really matter which one you do. I'm just going to do the second one. So we have 4 times 3 minus 3y equals 18. Again, they both have one negative in them, so no real advantage to either or. 4 times 3 is 12 minus 3y equals 18. Got to get rid of the 12 first, right? The non-variable term, get rid of that first. So we're going to minus 12 and minus 12. we'll get negative 3y equals 6. And finally divide by negative 3. And y is negative 2. So our final answer is x comma y 3 comma negative 2. Okay, so make sure you get that down. So you want to, I don't know, pause the video here and write down that part. And be back. And if you want to pause the video here and finish it off, this is right, number 1, number 2. If you want to label that 1 and 2. And here are the ones for you to do. So number 3 is 5x plus 3y 17. And 5x minus 2y equals negative 3. And 3x minus 4y equals 19. And 2x minus 4y equals 14. That's number 4. So again, like yesterday, if you're stuck, right, use number 1 for notes for number 3. Use number 2 for notes for number 4.